Okay, welcome to another video. I have a water gun. This thing is real. It kills people. So, let's go kill someone. Come on. I didn't know the bed was that small. Let's go. Oh my gosh, come on, camera. Look at the door. Watch out!
Yeah.
I killed him! Wait, he's still alive. He's still alive! Go, go, go! Go, go, go! Ah, ah, ah.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! Oh, my butt! Oh, my butt! My butt's hurting! Get up! Okay, that's it for today, guys! Thanks for watching!